What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's service call, what I'm going to be showing you how to do is to diagnose a electrically locked up blower motor. So if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned and I'll see you at the customer's house. Okay, I'm at the customer's house, and what they're saying is the air conditioner will not come on inside and blow any air out of the vents. They said they went around to the condensing unit. The condensing unit was running. So we need to actually figure out what's going on with that blower, see why it's not cooling. So what we're going to do is start up in the attic, start checking the blower motor, and I'll see you guys in the attic. Alright, we're up in the attic, and I can hear Freon run through my lines, but our blower motor is not coming on. So what we need to do is open this up. I can actually feel heat from here, and our blower motor is hot, so it seems like the motor has been trying to run, but it's not coming on. So we need to see what's going on with this blower motor. Okay, with the blower being hot, that tells me that we are getting power to our blower motor. So the first thing that we go do is we will check our capacitor and see if this is keeping the motor from starting up. So let's take this off. Okay, we will go ahead and start checking our capacitor. This is a 5 microfarad capacitor. Let's see if this is good. It is reading 5. So our capacitor is good. So this is actually pointing us to our blower motor. So I'm going to put this thing back on. We go cool the motor down and see if this blower motor is either locked up electrically or there's something going on with the bearings. Alright, I turned the power on, let the motor cool down, and you can hear the motor in here buzzing. And I'm trying to turn the blower wheel, and it's not turning once power is placed on this motor. So what's going on with this motor is it's electrically locked up. It's free spinning when there's no power, but as soon as I turn power on, the wheel will not turn at all. So we've got a bad blower motor, and we need to order a blower. So I'll see you guys back in the truck. Alright, guys. I just got done diagnosing the system, and to recap the service call, what I found was when I got here, the customer said that it would not blow any air out of the vents. They said they went around, the condensing unit was running. I went upstairs, I could hear Freon flowing through my refrigerant lines, so I knew that the condensing unit was running, but there was no air coming out of the vents. When I started taking the panel off, I could smell burning coming from the blower compartment, and that usually means that the blower is getting power, but it's just not coming on. So the first thing I did is I checked the capacitor. The capacitor was good. So if the capacitor is good, I'm getting 240 volts going to my motor, usually the blower motor. But to verify it, what I did is I let the motor cool down, and when I let the motor cool down, started everything back up, the blower wheel would turn when there was no power to the furnace itself. But when I placed power to the motor, the blower wheel was stuck and you could not turn it, which that basically means that the blower motor is electrically locked up. So with that being said, the blower motor is going to have to be replaced, and I don't think we've dealt with one of these before, so I'm glad we were able to catch one of these on video. So with that being said, we will order a blower motor and basically go from there. So guys, this is it for the video. If you guys learned anything, please like and subscribe. And another service call up, another service call down. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next service call. Thanks for watching.